For centuries, giraffes were believed to be almost silent creatures. Their long necks made scientists wonder if they could even produce enough airflow for complex sounds. While they aren't as vocal as some animals, it turns out these gentle giants do communicate, often in ways we can't easily perceive. Beyond the occasional snort of alarm or a mother's low bellow to her calf, giraffes rely heavily on non-vocal cues. They use body posture, subtle neck movements, and even their intricate coat patterns might play a role in recognition. But fascinating, recent research has discovered another layer. Giraffes do make a sound. They produce a low-frequency hum, mostly at night. The exact purpose is still being studied, but it's thought they might use this humming to stay in touch with each other in the darkness when visual communication is limited. It's a mysterious and beautiful part of their social lives, proving the savanna is never truly silent. Discover more hidden wonders of the animal world. Subscribe for weekly wildlife insights.